Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your game version and making 2 saves, one as primary, one as backup. Do that now. Once done, ensure you carry at least 1,000 Y money and the specific key items required for RoboFactory interactions. Next, head to the quest hub and watch the day versus night timer, because the trigger only appears at specific times. Make sure to check the map's factory marker and speak to the NPC who initiates the RoboFactory sequence. Once you have the quest active, focus on the middle sequence. Finish required subquests and clear nearby mobs to force RoboFactory spawns. Use encounter boost items or abilities that raise yokai odds by 30% or more. It improves your chance to meet Robonyan F. Then, follow the scripted event steps, destroy the designated panels, open the secure doors, and activate the 3 console switches in order. Make sure to conserve healing items. These fights can be punishing if you rush. You finish by carefully softening Robonyan F. Avoid causing a knockout and apply status effects like sleep or paralysis to boost recruitment chances. Then use high acceptance items or favorite food that pushes the recruitment rate to 75% or higher and attempt the final befriending. If the yokai doesn't spawn or fails to recruit, don't panic. Reload your backup save, wait about 30 minutes in-game, then replay the sequence. That reset fixes most scripting or spawn bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.